Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can really easily change the look of your Fiat 500 key. So the reason I'm doing this is because all the icons have been worn away from here and it's very hard to see what button unlocks the car, what does the lock-in and unlock-in. So by accident somebody could easily unlock the boot when they're trying to actually unlock the car. So you can buy these off places like eBay, and they're so simple to use. You don't have to take anything apart. All you've got to do is place it in here. It's a little cover, but the good thing is it has all the little symbols on here, so it's really easy to see what you're doing. So you can clearly see that that's lock, unlock, etc., and you can still take the key out nice and easily. So you might want to do it because you might want a different color of the key. You might want to match the color to your car. You can get these in loads of different colors on eBay. We will link in the description down below, and they cost roughly around 10 UK pounds. So for me now that's much easier because the new driver of this car will easily be able to see what the three buttons do here. So a really simple thing, and it feels and looks quite nice. Thanks for watching.